to our channel. We're so happy that you're here. And as you can see behind me, our view is going to be a little bit different today because we have something really exciting that we want to walk you guys through. One of the things that we've been asked is from one of our previous videos, okay, if we have some home repairs that need to happen, like what do we do? Where do we even start? And so we're kind of giving you guys a different perspective of a different angle of our home because there's a lot of work that actually went into this. January 16, 2024, long ago, we actually purchased this home here in Jacksonville, Florida, and we absolutely love it. But if you can imagine coming into a brand new home, in the sense it wasn't brand new, it's not a new construction home, it's just more so a home that was built in 1983. And so there's a few updates that need to happen. So as you can see, when we first moved in, the first thing to go was the popcorn ceiling. All of that was just disgusting. It was gross. It was icky. And I'm pretty sure the previous owners were smokers. And I was like, nah, I'm not having it. So it was the first thing to go. We repainted it, and we also installed some new AC vents because all of that nasty grime, like, we don't need to inhale that, especially because we love having guests, we love hosting them, we love having kiddos run through the home, so we just want to make sure it's a nice, safe environment. Of course, painting, a fresh coat of paint, and we'll walk you guys through it too, but we also changed the outlets. We'll show you different angles with different cuts of the video so that you can see it more closely, but we've had outlets that were complete circles, and so that has been removed. And I went through literally every single wall and replaced them with just a more modern approach and outlet that is also child temper safe. So if a child were to ever go to an outlet and try to just plug something in or jam stuff in there like crayons, it's not happening on my watch. So, and one of the projects that we're about to do that we're so excited to share with you is our back wall. As you can see, we have this really cute TV, but we are going, and actually the electrician's on his way now, we are going to get a TV outlet installed here, and we're going to completely change this wall. Not in the sense that we're breaking it down, but what we're going to do, and I can actually show you, is the entire wall is going to have these black stones. This is of black volcanic stone that we got from Floor & Decor, and we're literally going to place it all across the back wall from the floor down. We did install new baseboards like literally 3 months ago, so the new baseboards we have over there is actually going to have to be replaced. But we wanted to take you guys on this journey with us because it is not the first renovation we have done, but we want to be able to show you guys all of the different details of like how to actually do it, what steps do you take, etc. So we can't wait to show you, and stay tuned for more because as we walk you through the process, we will be updating our doors and window and continuing on the journey of keeping your home safe. Can't wait to show you guys. Okay, so they're here now, walking through the door, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. lot of electricians stop by different projects, different homes, but this was by far the fastest I've ever seen, and I love how they communicated, they answered all questions while they were working too. So where can we find you guys? How can they get in contact with you?
It's McGuire's Electrical Services. You can find us on Google or call us at 904-699-5335.
Yes, and what about you?
I'm Federico from Mr. Sparks Electrical LLC. You can find me in Google as well, or my phone number 904-318-2720. But this is the best.
And we both work
He's
together, so.
Yes, and you guys seen the work firsthand. I can definitely vouch for them, backing them up. Please, if you decide to reach out to them for some services, please leave them a 5-star review. You guys saw it firsthand, literally, and I love the way that they cut this out. It's perfectly and structurally sound because they went along the wall and made sure that it was next to the studs. So this is actually very, very sturdy. What my husband and I plan to do is we're going to put some patching here just to make sure everything is nice and flush so that all the stones are leveled against each other. We do have split face stones, so there will be a design and architecture where some of the stones are more outward than the others, but the back panel is completely flat. So we just want to make sure that that looks very clean all across. And up here, they provided to us a goof box, and that goof box actually helps to extend the electrical outlet away from the wall so that it's flush against the stonework. We are so excited about this project. We can't wait to get started on the next step, which is actually driving to Savannah, Georgia to pick up the rest of the boxes. But when we do, we're going to show you how we get to transform this wall into what you'll see soon. And by the way, none of this could have happened without the camera guy.